Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Adam Johnson here, and you see this? Yep, you guessed it. This is a Darth Vader Lego alarm clock. It's not really an alarm clock. Why? Because this alarm is not loud enough. Okay, if you wake up and you want to hear loud noises, this thing is not the thing. Okay, and as a clock, just like every other clock, you see it's off right now. In fact, the batteries are dead, and there's no way to get into here. Hey, Nichan. Anyway, that was my cat, the one that just crawled behind me, and then she asked to crawl in front of me. Haha, so funny. She wants to be in Destruction Tail because she's gonna be scared. Okay, yeah, this thing is not good, and it can barely sit up straight right now. Okay, but yeah, you can move its legs too. Yeah, how cool is that? The sad thing is, if you actually want this clock, well, this thing's going to be destroyed. I'm so sorry. But if you like instruction videos, then you're in for some luck. Okay, we're going to lay it down straight. Okay. Who's ready to see some destruction? Okay, and yeah, I found this thing. I've had it for like 6 to 7 years, and I'm really ticked off right now because of I tried to play Rolling Sky on a live stream, and that did not go so well. Yeah, it didn't really go so well. It was laggy, and it even said charger for the percentage. It's not on the charger right now, obviously, but we're just going to get this started. So yeah, I'm mad. That's why I'm doing this. For you. For your entertainment. And this series is kind of dead. Alrighty. Let's get ourselves warmed up. Oh, I'm sorry, Darth Vader. Oh, I made your head turn around. Oh, this head turned around. Bam. Take that. Oh, I've always wondered what it looked like inside Darth Vader's head. Well, here you go. Chopped off head. His head's cut off. Hey, Darth Vader, I am your father. Bam. Here's the batteries. Yeah, that's dead too. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Cut the legs off. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, we're going to take one big swing. And no, we are not done. We still got the head to go. Okay, just for measurements. Crap. Yeah, I'm mad at you. Because you're not a good alarm clock. This thing's just like all clocks. Once you reset it, it's usually not at the right time. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this thing is mucked up. Oh, yeah, let's take down this thing. Oh God, I smell smoke. Oh. Well, we're not stopping there. Oh yeah. Okay. We got the head and this leg. Okay. Which one are we going to destroy first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I choose you. You are dead. Okay. Leg is going first. Okay, we just need one good swing. Slice it in half. That's all we really need to do. Okay, now make it skip. That'll work too. You're not going back anywhere. Come on, stay here, leg. That's what happens when you leave. Oh yeah, we're starting this thing too. destroyed. We got that big part of the chest. Smells like fireworks. Smells like 4th of July fireworks. Hey, happy early 4th of July. Alrighty. Oh yeah, we got this thing go. Ow, that hit my nose. Okay. Now for the head. I've always wondered what it looks like inside. Oh yeah, Bowser. Darth Vader. I almost said Bowser for some crazy reason. But this thing is dead. Nothing is inside. Now, come back. Okay, the mask is still. Okay, we still have the face. Okay, so we need to destroy the face too. No, don't kill me. Sorry, Darth Vader. We joined it. Ah! I hit my arm. I hit my forearm. Yeah, that's bad karma for me, man. Oops. Damn it. A little bit of technical difficulties. But we're not done yet. Oh God. This thing's stucker than a nut hole. Well, that went better than expected. Oh God. Ah, bad karma again. That's battery acid in a nutshell. Oh God. Okay, there's something. Ooh, yeah, battery here. Yeah, why not we just bring it? Oh, baby, a triple. No, oh, baby, a double. Yes. Yeah. This, God. This thing to destroy. Okay, you're done there. Oh yeah. Man, you coming back here. Yeah, I just want to chase you. Chase you down. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes the metal sheets. There goes the motherboard, I think. Whoa, boy. I think we can call it a day. Oh, God. Well, longer than my destruction videos, but this looks muffed up. Am I right? It's not even that hot out. Well, it is cloudy. And there's still places out here as well. Well, that was some fun. It's fun to get back. And I found another old pop. So I'll probably destroy that sometime this week as well. And what it looks like, it kind of looks like an old alarm. Not an alarm clock, but it's an old alarm that we don't use anymore. And like you see there, we don't use that anymore. Dead. Useless. Alarm doesn't work well. And I'm pissed off at that live stream I attempted to do. Oh my gosh. Yep, that was good exercise, Adam. You did good. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and more destruction videos. Series will not die. I can tell you that. Videos, yeah, they go from time to time, but believe me, they'll just keep on coming. And I'll see you guys around. Add me on Snapchat, Adam22. And like my face page, links to both are in the description. And I will see you guys around. Alright? Bye, everyone. Oh god, this probably looks like the biggest mess I've ever done. Doesn't it? Yeah, it's a big mess I have to clean up. Thanks.